feel like rain in the morning, giving me mixed emotions. And it's still sometimes mixed emotions. Mix it up, girl, put it in motion. Are you burning or dying? There's no compromising. Make up your mind. We're running out of time. It's so hard to try.
Yeah man, you just watch the video, go see any brothers, check out the video, subscribe, notification bell, and just watch the thing man. We want no for that, only for that my brother. And we don't talk, we not say nothing more.
All I know, go over to Gussie and Brothers place every time. Yeah. Blessed morning, my people. You don't know, man. Gussie and the brothers out again this morning, my people. We have a lot of rain from one day, my people.
Yes, my
so yeah, we don't know the water look, but the sun come out nice this morning, my people. You see me? You don't know I'm so active at talk to you, me ever tell you say keep active, man. That one you go loud. My people, you hear that? Tune in to Gussie and Brothers. You hear? Sir Gussie go big up some people me this morning now. Some YouTubers and you don't know some subscribers same way we are push the thing for me. We give her thanks for it too, you know. You see me? So Sir Gussie go make you know the name them, you see me? So watch you are going now.
Yes, my people. Morning again. You see me? This morning is an epic morning this morning. Yeah, man. And more love and blessing to you. Subscribe and share and followers. More love and blessing. You see me? Yeah, man. You know, say more big up Papi Dan. Papi spearfishing. You know? There you go. Yeah, man. More blessing and love to you. Legendary adventure. Big up yourself, my father. No, we can't left out. Big up yourself. J-Bud. Big up yourself too. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So as you know, can see, you know, my people. This morning, lovely morning. Lovely morning. That's what I say. Yeah, man. So, Shamar ears, big up yourself too. You see me? More love and blessing to you. Yeah, man. So, you know, my people, this morning we there, I say, boy, if I win, if get some running fish. You see me? But no stranger not come yet.
Yeah, you don't know running fish, them are the group of them and the dark teeth snap of them, you know, my people. You see me?
Yeah,
them
man.
we are wait for come. But we don't see them come, so, boy, my people, we still go out there go hunt, you know. We catch 2 Parrot, 2 snapper, barracuda, same. You don't know what some brothers do it, you know.
Don't know a mixture of fish them. That's what I say, my people.
Yeah.
But when really I look out, see if you get none of running fish them.
For real, man.
You see me? But you know, say when you get running fish, you know, my people, you get some healthy coupon and some healthy dog teeth. You see me, my people? But you don't see nothing change yet. But we are keep a finger crossed same way.
You don't know.
Yeah, man. We have faith always. You see me?
Yeah, man.
And we keep it active.
Which is right.
Yeah, man.
You don't know Gussie and Brothers do it, you know, man. We ever active, you know. So guess what going on, my people? That one you go loud, man. Just stay tuned and watch Gussie and Brothers. Give you the subscribe and the shares. And you don't know the friends them big up on themselves same way. You see me, my people? So guess what going on, man? Catch Gussie and Brothers out there. Just stay tuned and watch you go on. That one you go loud. I'm out.
Go active.
Good day, my people. Welcome to Gussie and Brothers. I'm gonna try and talk you through, how our day been and what we've been up to. Now you're watching Lippo's cam. Basically, Lippo just searching the reefs as usual, as we normally do. In about 30 feet of water, not very deep. As you can see, Lippo lining up a grunt. Take a shot. But unfortunately, I lose that one toured off. But keep diving and keep searching.
That's kick.
And the other guys them in the water, so we're just diving and searching as usual, as I said. As you can see, Lippo looking around, but the water is kind of murky, so didn't see anything at this spot. So Lippo decided to move on. And the current was really strong at this point, heading down the sea while we are going up the sea. So at this moment we're diving against the current. you see Kevo. You have a sea cat. At this point, Lippo telling Kevo that be careful, these sea cat, they bite. And the sea cat did bite him. So, yeah, you have to be careful of the sea cats, them, you know. So, continue searching. Lippo line up a nice parrot. Yeah. And these parrots, they call them the quab parrots. Most people know them as sleeper nights in certain part of the island. But you know, in Montego Bay area we call them quab. As you can see, most of Lippo line tie up. Just untangle it. Get back to the surface as fast as possible. Gussie diving with a cam as well, but the cameras them giving problem lately, so most of these footage we're showing is from Lippo camera. At this point, the GoPro giving lots of trouble. Keep switching on and off. But we continue diving anyway. As you can see, we come up on a school of jack. They're baby jacks, they're not really big, you know, so just swimming through them. None of them really have size to take, so we just leave them alone. Yeah, there you can see in the foreground there's a stingray just minding him business, so we do the same, leave him alone. But Lippo like to dive and video them so you guys can see, you know, just some of the beauty of the ocean. So just have a look and enjoy the video. Just in case you miss it before, here's a closer view of the stingray. It's an eagle ray. Yeah, so
gets kick.
Yes, my people, you know, Gussie and brothers, just a come back up by water, though. Yeah, man. And today is an epic day, my people. Great catch go on today, my people. So, look how we go on, my people. So, I say, be a pretty fish. You know, I say, my people, nice. Hold on half red belly this side, you know. What a pink one. What a gold tail. So yes, my people, you see, it's a great catch. Although in reach a land, that is the greatest catch, you see me? Yeah, man. That's a good look, man. So father active. Don't make you know what go on. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. Active. You don't know, you know, father active, you know, man. To the world, you know, man. You see me? You don't know, Gussie and brothers do it, you know, my people.
Live and fresh, watch this. Still a move.
Look on the street, my people.
Yeah?
Oh my God, man. You don't know, man. You see me? You don't know how Gussie and the brothers deal with, you know. Anywhere we turn now, we ever active, you know, man. They wanna go loud, you know, my people. And I love you subscribe, and I give you know, I beg you some more, you know, cause as the anchor man tell you, you know, 1K or 1 reach, you hear me, people? So just stay tuned and watch what I go on, man, you see me?
Father go sit talk to you already and show me fish them out them pretty and beautiful, my people. So just stay tuned and watch Gussie and Brothers, cause so we do it, you know. Mr. Active ever telling you, you know. I'm out.